What's up, everyone? Welcome back to my channel, Chips Pokerips. Hope everybody's having a good day. Today, for the unpacking, I will have first partner packs from August. I got two, one for the collection, one so you guys can see what I get. I'm gonna add that to my to the binders. Also, let me show you guys a couple of the other stuff that I got. Ended up getting some tins, Shiny Fate tins, over at Pokemon Center. Also was able to get a few of these Shiny Fate, the pin set. Comes with 3 packs, you know, so I'll probably put one away and then, well, I got a few of them, so maybe I'll do 2 on the video one of these days and put the rest for the collection. And these bad boys came in. We got these couple of, like 2 weeks ago. We got the tins. I forgot what the name of these tins, but I got a couple of them. I got 5. And I know these come with evolution packs, so I'm gonna probably do a few of these and then put some of them away. And for last, I bought the Shadow Rider and Ice Rider. We got the box that comes with a couple of packs inside and the jumbo cards, promo cards. I bought 4, so I'm gonna open 2 and I'm gonna put away 2 for the collection. And been getting good stuff for a while now, thanks to my friend over at Twitter. His name is Pokemon Drops. He's always on point with everything when there's available. So most of it's like 70% of my collection, thanks to him. I've been collecting those, and you know, great guy. Gave me a shout out, and got a couple of subscribers thanks to him. So thanks. And that's pretty much it. So just gonna set up and open up the stuff so we can put them in the binders and open a couple of packs. I'll see you guys right now. Okay guys, so we got the pack now. I'm doing the first partners and I'm gonna open one of these. And I got 3 Darkness Ablaze packs and we got 4 battle styles. Okay, so put those to the side and let's open this up. Okay, I got the cards, Mudkip, Trico, and Torchic. The book. Got the Pikachu in the front, so the other ones come out in October. And I'll put it with those. Let's see. Okay, so this one is. Hold on, how do I have these? Grass, fire, and water. Okay, I'll do it like that. Let's go. Grass, fire, and water. Okay, this is the collection. Put this to the side. See the packs that it came with. We got Sword and Shield. It's not Sun and Moon. And we got the Chilling Reign pack. So what should we do? Should we start off? I guess I'll leave the Chilling Reigns for last. So let's just start with this Sword and Shield base. So we get anything good from here? that code for you guys. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's go with Leaf. Nope, Psychic. Okay, let's go. Team Yell Grunt, Hyper Potion, Galarian Stunkfisk, Galarian Ponyta. I don't know this guy's name. Qfant, Krabby, Silicobra, and nope, nothing from this pack. Alright, let's put these to the side. Next is let's go with the Battle Stars. See if we get any alternate art on these. That code. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's go with Fire. Ooh, let's go. Hopefully something means something good. Alright, let's go. Ignite, Fans of Wave, Dottler, Timber, Galarian Slowpoke, Corphish, Roly-Poly, Orbeetle. Nope. Okay, I'll put these to the side so I can have them separated. Next Battle Styles. Got a couple more weeks for the Evolving Skies to come out. Can't wait for those. Try to get that alternate art, Rayquaza. Any alternate art, actually. Get so much glue on this pack. There we go. Okay. Here's that code. 1, 2, 3, 4. Psychic. Nope, Fighting. Okay. Pico, Peko, Durant. Timber. The Pig. And nope. Okay. Next Battle Styles. Let's go. Code. 1, 2, 3, 4. Water. Oh, Psychic. Horsey. Cherubi. Lickitung. Electabuzz. Esper. Lickitung Reverse, and I don't know, see that guy's name, but nothing yet. Nothing yet. Okay. Next Battle Styles. And it's the last Battle Styles, so let's see if we get any magic on this last pack for Battle Styles. Okay, here's that code. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's go with Fighting. Nope, Grass. Mustard, Cheryl, Timor, Timber, Galarian Slowpoke, Corphish, my Roly-Poly, Energy Reverse, and nope, shit. Nothing from those Battle Styles, but it's okay. We still got Darkness Ablaze. Let's go. Card came reversed. That's a good sign. I know. There you go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Fighting. Nope. Grass again. Bird Keeper. This guy. Dartrix. Galarian Mr. Mime. Rookie D, maybe. Rookie. Soros. Snubble. Mareep, Rowlet, and Lugia. It's nice art. Okay, let's put these to the side. Next one. code cards come in reversed. I don't know if these packs are supposed to be like that. There's the code. 1, 2, 3, 4. Water. Nope. Tower. Torchic. Galarian Master One. Fletchling. Electric. Passage. And nope. Okay, last pack of Darkness Ablaze, and it's a Charizard. Let's see if we get something good. Yeah, I guess the codes come reversed in these. There you go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Water. Oops, steel. Picarothon. Fluffy. I don't know. Q-Fant. Wishy-washy. Energy and a hollow, I guess. Not bad. Okay, so done with these. We'll put these to the side. Put it over here. And so this Chinerain. Okay, here's that code. And we got 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's go with Psychic. Nope, Fighting. Okay. Echoing Horn. And Ralts. Venipede. Bounsweet. Lapras. Galarian Slowking Reverse Hollow. And let's go. Full Art Trainer. Clara. Nice. Who would have thought? Yes. Let's put this away. Put this away. Put this in a penny sleeve. And a top loader. Okay, Chinerain. Very nice. Put it away. Here you go. Put this to the side. Okay, now for the last pack. Let's take this out. Hopefully it's Chinerain. Hopefully we get something good again. This one comes with a promo card and a coin. Let's see. Is that code? Okay. We got the promo card, a Fancy. There you go. Aside. And we got the coin. There you go. Alright, let's open up this last pack. See if we get some last pack magic for Chinerain. If you guys like my videos and want to see some of my collection, you could go on my Instagram, which I'll put it up on the screen. Also got Twitter and TikTok, which I do a couple other videos there too. Here's a code. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's go with Fighting. Nope, Fire. Okay, Impact Energy, Path to the Peak. Let's go. Swirlix, Lapras, Deerling, Galarian Slowpoke, Coughing, Weedle, and yes, another good pull. I think I have this, but why not? It's a good double to have. Let's put this guy away in the sleeve. Not bad for Chinerain today. Only 2 packs that I had today, and we got some good stuff. Everything else was not good, but we got this from the Chilling Reign, so pretty good. I don't have this one. I have this one. Let's put it to the side. So that's all I have for today, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to hit that like button. Go subscribe if you haven't. And hit that notification bell so you guys know when I upload videos. Hope you guys enjoyed. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.